So my name is Steven John Irby, a.k.a. Steve Sweatpants, or what the internet knows me as. I'm the co-founder and director of Street Dreams magazine. So I like to have a really quick setup, especially when it comes to all my street photography. So I'm using the Sony a7R III. I'm one of these guys, if it's not broke, don't fix it. And I really love this setup with my a7R III. One of the things I love about my 25mm is the fact that it's not intrusive. When it comes to taking street photos, you don't want to have crazy setup sometimes, and it's easier to have a conversation with a lens that is not as intrusive. The 50mm actually is a really fun lens to use. It's intimate, and I think taking photos with intimacy is a really strong point of photography. The 70-200, this is like the big boy, you know what I mean? Like, I like to use this when I can just be the fly on the wall. This is my baby. The fact that I'm able to make a validation platform for Street Dreams for the past 10 years is one of the biggest honors in my life. It's just kind of special that I'm able to do this. There's no way that I could take photos without music. Music is like the essential part of everything that I do. So, these bad boys are one of the most essential things for me when it comes to taking photos. I was able to get this in Tokyo. Arigato gozaimasu. And this is like one of these quick little things where if I need to put an SD card or some gum, this is the most important little thing to me because it kind of keeps all the essentials really close to me. This camera strap is like the extension of my life. This camera strap I got from one of my favorite people in New Jersey. He goes by Tone Customs. He's one of the most important people in the art space. And the fact that he was able to give me this bungee cord for a camera strap is like kind of like this weird irony of everything that is important to me, because I like to be grounded. I like things to be relevant and resonate. And then this is literally the thing that keeps me grounded. So. And then this, I can't take anything anywhere without this big old bag. So I put all these random things in my bag every single time. It has my whole lifeline over here. From when my dad used to drive me in this Jeep Cherokee. I used to play the cello. I was in an orchestra. Plot twist is crazy. It's always like a love letter towards not only my life, but my family and to New York. So I'm a sappy kind of guy like that.